Hello, everyone. Welcome to Soul Vibrations, here to deliver soul messages. Today, I'll be reading energy with tarot and pendulum for chakras, and we will start with your chakras. So, I hope that this message resonates with you. I will begin with crown, third eye, throat, thank you, heart, solar plexus, sacral, root. I would like to remind you that this is a collective energy reading. Okay, so for this particular reading, it focused on the throat chakra. Here, this is the fifth chakra. It is known as the fifth. It is located in the center of the neck, and it represents the ability to speak and communicate clearly and effectively. Imbalance attributes would be like shyness, being withdrawn. It's also increased anxiety. A lot of people would see it also as arrogant. But a positive one, positive energy that we hold here, like I said, is our communication. It is our listening. It is our writing. It in that particular area, we hold a lot of creativity. And it's like the rhythm and timing. It's our honesty, it's our truth that we hold in this particular area of us. Besides our neck, our throat, our lymph nodes, and our ear glands, and everything else that we might hold in this particular area, it is essential that you shed light on it, that you, in an essence, give attention to and within yourself. What is it that you're not saying? What is it that you might not be fully listening to? Okay, so I hope that this message is of service to you, and I give you thanks again for tuning in. And it's no I'm saying it might not be a coincidence, just I can't even say the word. I guess related, or there's some synchronicity here that I turned a blue candle on, and it went straight to throat. So that's beautiful. I always connect everything, so there's some message there with the color blue in itself. And the color blue, it is I guess psychologically speaking, they say that blue is calming, is a color of the essence of something clean, of conservative integrity. It's a color of patience, peacefulness, security, wisdom, imagination, spirituality, tranquility, also masculinity, and the color of purpose. So, hey, there's something to that. Moving on to tarot, to clarify a little bit more regarding that particular chakra. Mind, body, spirit. I meditated on the energies before shuffling, so I'm going to go ahead and move on. Mind, body, spirit, for the collective. Okay, so you got the Seven of Swords, the Six of Wands, and the Six of Pentacles. So air element, fire element, earth element. So in your mind, the air element, which would represent as the Seven of Swords, is representing deception in your mind. Okay, there's a lot of energy here, but I don't know that it's directed in an appropriate manner per se. This is saying there's a lot of like lacking full potential. There's a dishonesty here. There's running away from some sort of issue, and that's just in your mind, collective. So I'm already here. When it comes to possibly communication as well, because this is an air element, it is saying, it's not necessarily positive. And you might want to just kind of slow down. Like here in your physical, there is that essence of recognizing, of good news, feeling some sort of advantage. But mentally, there's still lingering negative thoughts, or this advancement is not fully being represented 100%, or even the praise of others is not feeling genuine based off negative thinking. Okay. Spiritually, it wants you to balance, to bringing balance to your creative side. This is, giving and receiving in a positive way, like understanding your worth, in other words, or where you dedicate your time, your patience, your creativity, or your energy. This is a beautiful card in its, just sharing wealth. And it speaks about luck and clarity and generosity in many ways. And here there's a distortion here with your body and as you move physically. Like it's almost like it's not coming with generosity. Like it's not. There's something here that is like lingering and not in a positive way. And for something to be able to give and receive, there has to be like an equal give and take per se. And here mentally there's already something that is not genuine. And again, this energy is from you, okay? I focus on you, on your higher self. And so there's something that is not being said, or, again, to the throat chakra spoken earlier. There's something that you're holding back, and it's affecting how your balance in the physical form. Also understand that Earth, I don't know why I just heard this, but Earth is a very slow moving energy. So take your time to really be discerning as to how you feed and how you bring in balance into your life and where you give your energy to. So it won't leave you feeling like you're giving and not really receiving enough, or, where this feels more genuine, like I said, from a balanced place, from inside and outside of you, in order for you to receive it genuinely here. So it's also this is you, like spirit wants you to truly balance yourself in some way. Bring in, like I said, bring in more generosity, more softness to yourself, more patience to yourself. In a very direct way, because it's almost like I see a lot of masculine in this reading. So it is being logical, it is being direct, it is being assertive, dominant in your own self, conscious of what you bring to this world, It's like a matter of fact, cause and effect, you know. Well, I hope that this message resonates with all. I hope to hear from you guys. Please like, subscribe, all of that. And again, I give you thanks, and I hope to speak to you all soon. Thank you so much, guys. Ciao.